Alright students, today we are going to solve a very important, necessary but not sufficient condition problem from the coordinate geometry. So let's read the question very carefully. We are given the equation of a line ax plus by minus c is equal to 0 where a, b, c are real non-zero constants. Okay. So we need to find which of the following is a necessary but not sufficient condition for the line to have a positive gradient and a positive y-intercept. This type of question is very important because it tests your understanding of slope, intercept, sign analysis and necessary versus sufficient logic. So let's go it step by step. Now given ax plus by minus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by minus c is equal to 0. First rearrange. By is equal to minus of ax plus c. Now divide by b. So we will get y is equal to minus of a by bx plus c by b. Now we can clearly see slope is minus a by b and y-intercept is c by b. Keep this result carefully. Everything will come from here. Okay. Now we are told the gradient must be positive. So minus of a by b greater than 0. This means a by b less than 0. So a and b must have opposite signs. This is our first condition. A and b must have opposite signs. Opposite signs. Okay. So this is our first condition. Now y-intercept is equal to c by b. For it to be positive, c by b greater than 0. Okay. This means c and b must have same sign. This is our second condition. C and b must have same sign. This is our second condition. Okay. Now, so for the line to have positive slope and positive y-intercept, we need a and b opposite signs and b and c same signs. Let's think what this means. If b and c have same sign and a is opposite to b, then a and c must have opposite signs. So overall, a and c have opposite signs. This is an important conclusion. What? A and C have opposite signs. Okay. Now, very important concept. Necessary means must be true and sufficient means alone guarantees the result. The question asks which condition is necessary but not sufficient. So the condition must always be true if slope and intercept are positive but alone should not guarantee it. Now from our earlier result, if slope greater than 0 and intercept greater than 0, A and C must have opposite signs. So this condition is necessary. But is this sufficient? Let's test. Suppose A greater than 0, C less than 0. But what about B? If B is positive, slope minus A by B negative. Okay. If B is negative, so slope positive, intercept C by B negative. So just knowing A and C opposite does not guarantee both the conditions. So therefore, this condition is necessary but not sufficient. So the final answer will be option E. A and C have opposite signs. Okay. So whenever you see the line like ax plus by plus d is equal to 0, immediately remember slope is equal to minus of a by b and y-intercept is equal to minus of d by b. Then positive slope a by b less than 0 and positive intercept constant by b greater than 0. And for necessary versus sufficient, always test with example. So, these necessary sufficient questions are very common in TMUA and ISI. Always convert to slope intercept from first, then that makes the problem very easy. Okay, so I hope this solution is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubts, any kind of problems, just ask me in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so in the next session we will solve a very important TMUA question, and that session will be very important for you, so don't miss it out guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.